Hello, my name is Fernando Aguilera DeAlba, and today I will talk about organization and time management skills in graduate school. Graduate programs are academically demanding with a heavy coursework and research load. It is important to organize and manage your time wisely to ensure academic success, minimize stress, balance work and personal life, achieve short and long-term goals, and prepare yourself for future careers through professional development workshops. To accomplish this, make sure that you prioritize the tasks that you have at hand. Plan ahead and allocate your time wisely through to-do lists so that you can plan ahead for the day and for the week. And even you can always plan ahead for the whole month so that you know what needs to be done. Eliminate distractions so that you can concentrate and focus 100% of your energy and attention to the given task. I recommend that you do not multitask, as this will negatively impact your productivity because you will be trying to do multiple things and in reality you won't get any of them done. So I much rather recommend that you focus on one task at a time, and that way once you're done with this one you can move on to the next one. If you're stuck, make sure you seek for help with fellow graduate students in your lab, friends that you may have in the department, and even reach out to your advisor for advice. I highly recommend that you reward yourself after you've accomplished a big task so that you feel some sense of progress. Some tools that I highly recommend that I use for a long time are Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Google Docs. I create this table where I plan ahead for my whole week and I outline specific goals that I must accomplish for that day and collectively for the week. Similarly, I have a pending or project section where I outline all the potential tasks that I could be doing in case I feel I have nothing to do. So this will help you make sure that you are using your time wisely and making sure that there's always something to do.